McKee and welcome to Cartoon Workshop for Beginners number 1. And I'm going to run you through the very basic concepts of drawing cartoon characters right from the very beginning. So if you're a novice, you say you're not confident at drawing cartoons or drawing at all, this is ideal for you guys. So let's get cracking with our first cartoon character. Oh, by the way, all you need for this is a biro or a pencil, a gel pen, anything that can make a mark. Your mum's lipstick, maybe not, then we get told off. And also for paper, I always use photocopy paper because it's cheap. And if you've got anything like that, that's great. You don't need expensive art equipment. You don't need to be running down to posh art shops to get your stuff. The back of an envelope is fantastic. So let's get cracking, shall we? Okay. First of all, we're going to make a nice simple circle shape like this. This is the starting of our character. Now, all we need are a couple of dots in the middle, and there we have it. We have eyes for our beautiful cartoon character. Next, we'll put the lug holes in, as we say in Sheffield, or ears if you're not from Sheffield. There we go, and so we've got ears, we've got eyes, we'll stick a nose in. For now, a nice simple one. And let's give him a smile. There. And we have now the basic beginnings of a cartoon character. I'll stick a couple of bits of hair in there too, give him some a little bit more. Now I'm going to put a new clean sheet of paper out there because I can, but if you've got space on yours to draw more circles, then please keep using your same paper for now, because it's valuable stuff, is that old paper in your house, especially if you can't nip out to the shops. So let's go with 4 different-ish circle shapes. These are our characters' heads, and we'll put the dots in the middle for now. There we go. Noses. Noses come in different shapes and sizes. So we can have a nose that goes down. We can have a nose that goes to the side. A bit like Tintin. The character there, his nose was drawn by Hergé, and he has a nose like that. And dots for eyes. And we can have a nose like this. Or if you wanted to, just a simple line. Doesn't matter. The great thing about cartooning is there are no rules. So we'll stick the ears in. Now with ears, like with humans and cartoon characters, we tend to keep them in line with the eyes. So if we could draw an imaginary line, you would get it straight through like that. And it just gives a bit of perspective, a bit of balance to your character's face. And ears don't have to be all the same size. They always can change in shape. And there we go, that's that basic thing there. And what we will do now is put a mouth in. So we'll give it a smile. We'll make him a little bit grumpy. And a whoa, what have you seen? And a oh, not feel too well. And there we go, there's a simple way we can make our characters look different by changing noses and mouths and shape of heads. And finally, one last change we'll do for today in this little short lesson, and number 1 is make one a boy and one a girl. And what I'll do, just to illustrate the magic of cartooning, we will keep the heads exactly the same. So we'll even keep a similar nose. And then for a boy, we'll just go a couple of lines like that. But for a girl, we start where the ear begins, up to the middle, there we go, into the centre. We've got the girl's hair now, put a little bobble. Wow, wing it over like that, up, down, and there. And that is the conclusion for our first lesson. So have a practice changing the nose shapes, finding the way that what suits you the best, and then on lesson 2 we'll develop that a little bit more, just show you a little bit more, a few tricks with that circle and the dots. All right, enjoy yourselves, bye.